Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Bakhtavar and today I'm here at the Finishing Institute run by Fauji Foundation. Today I'm going to give you a campus tour and show you the facilities we have here. Starting from our lawn, as you can see, there's a beautiful view out here of the whole school. There's seating over here where you can do your assignments, you can have your outdoor classes, you can also have your break here, you can have a cup of tea with your friends. So now we're going to take a look inside. We're going to go inside. So this is the main reception area. As you can see, it has been set up beautifully. Over here on this notice board, we have assignments laid out of students. They've recently made these assignments. We can also see their training programs of the week. Over here, these frames are also designed by students. Arts and crafts students refurbished old frames to display their drawings. This is the attendance table. Everybody who comes in signs their attendance over here, and then they go into the class. So on the left, we have a state-of-the-art IT lab. Here you can see we have almost 50 computers all connected with the internet. In this class, basically, all our classes related to IT and all our classes related to e-commerce, related to freelancing, to digital marketing, all these classes are held here. Our instructors and our motivational speakers, anyone who is an expert in the field of IT can come here, they deliver their lectures here. We also have a projector in this class, so all our presentations are projected over here, and then we have a whiteboard to demonstrate our lecture. On the very right hand, we have our main lecture hall. Here, all the lectures are delivered by the instructors, whether there's a motivational speaker, everybody comes in here and they deliver their lecture. This is a smart board equipped hall. So as you can see, this is a smart board where teachers use it to present their lectures to the students. We also have our debating sessions here, we have our presentation sessions here, and everything related to basically the theoretical portion of our course is presented over here. So now we're in the upstairs lobby. Here we have our fashion design lab, we have our arts and craft lab, we also have our kitchen and dining area here. So starting from the fashion lab, this is our fashion design lab. As you can see, there's a lot of mannequins here for you to do your assignments. There's pattern tables here. Here you can make your patterns and actually work on your assignments practically. So moving on from the fashion lab, we have our sewing lab here. As you can see, we have state-of-the-art machinery here where you can stitch your assignments and the teacher can give you a lecture about how to do it. This is our fusing plant where you can fuse your fabric. As you can see, there's an assignment of a student hanging there. हमारा फ्यूजिंग प्लांट है. जब आपने कपड़े के साथ बुकरम लगानी होती है या फ्यूजिंग लगानी होती है तो आप कपड़े को बुकरम के ऊपर रख के तो इस प्लांट के अंदर देते हैं. इस जगह से कपड़ा जो है वो प्रेस के साथ फ्यूजिंग के साथ अटैच हो जाता है एंड जिससे आपके मेंस वेयर में कोट्स बनते हैं, विमेन कोट्स बनते हैं विंटर के. बेसिकली जितने भी आपके प्रोफेशनल फॉर्मल गारमेंट्स होते हैं वो हम फ्यूजिंग प्लांट के थ्रू बनाते हैं. So moving on, I'm going to show you our arts and crafts studio. In this studio, you're going to be doing all your arts and craft related assignments. They could be anywhere from illustrations to line drawing to portrait drawing to canvas painting. Here there's an example of a student's line drawing assignment. It's a very basic assignment. Here there's a practice of calligraphy. As you can see, there's a lot of Arabic calligraphy done here. Also, over here, you can see our vision board. Over here, there's all these assignments are done by students. They're painting assignments. There are also some illustrations, some line drawings. We've also been teaching them how to refurbish old frames. So this frame was bought from the Sunday market. So moving on, I'm going to show you our kitchen and dining area. As we enter, See, this is our prep station over here. We also have our equipment laid out for the chefs to prepare their dishes. We have our fridge here. We also have a deep freezer. We have a microwave oven. We have a stove and a gas oven back there. यहाँ पे हमारी सारी प्रैक्टिकल कुकिंग की क्लासेस होती हैं. शेफ़्स यहाँ पे आते हैं, यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स को वेरियस डिशेस सिखाते हैं. एज़ यू कैन सी, हमारी पिछले दिनों वर्कशॉप हुई थी एक चॉकलेट कैफ़े ट्रीट्स की, जहाँ पे हमने उनको ब्रेड मेकिंग सिखाई थी, हमने उनको कुकीज़ सिखाए थे, केक सिखाए थे, एंड इस तरह की काफ़ी क्लासेस यहाँ पे चलती हैं. This is our dining area. Here we teach students etiquettes, all टेबल manners and how to set up your table, how to present your dishes.